Hello friends, sounds like there could be a fit here. I hope so you would have enjoyed the previous video in which we have already discussed about the motivational story of a girl who had helped the orphan children, and we get a great inspiration from that story as well. So friends, today we are up with a new video which includes a motivational story of two friends. This story basically serves as a reminder that forgiveness has the ability to transform lives. It has the ability to heal the broken hearts and to restore the bonds of friendship. It basically teaches us the holding on to the grudges only pain, while forgiveness allows us to move and make forward and create a brighter future, which is always filled with love and understanding. I hope so you will like and you would enjoy listening to this video. Before getting into the video, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell icon to get the more updates of the videos. So let's get started. The story begins as once upon a time in a small village, there lived two childhood friends named Sarah and Emily. They were inseparable and shared memories which were wonderful, and they were wonderful memories together. They supported each other through thick and thin, and their friendship was a source of strength for both of them. However, as they grew older, jealousy began to creep into their relationship. Sarah, who was always considered the most talented one, started to steal, resentless when Emily's achievement began to overshadow her own. Instead of celebrating her friend's success, Sarah allowed envy to consume her heart, and their once unbreakable bond started to crumble. One fateful day, a misunderstanding occurred, leading to a heated argument that spiraled out of control. Harsh words were exchanged, and their friendship was shattered. Sarah and Emily became bitter enemies, holding on to grudges that seemed impossible to mend. Years passed, and the village faced a terrible disaster, a destructive storm that ravaged their homes and left the villagers in despair. In the aftermath, Sarah's house was destroyed, leaving her homeless and vulnerable. With no one to return, she found herself standing in front of Emily's door, hesitant but desperate for help. Emily, despite the pain she had endured, opened the door and saw her old friend, now broken and humbled. Instead of letting bitterness dictate her actions, she chose forgiveness. She embraced Sarah and welcomed her into her home, offering her food, shelter, and comfort. As the days went by, Sarah witnessed the power of forgiveness and the kindness of her once friend. Emily never held Sarah's past mistakes against her, instead focusing on their shared history and the love they had once shared. She encouraged Sarah to rebuild her life and supported her every step of the way. Through Emily's forgiveness, Sarah's heart began to heal. She learned the true value of forgiveness and the incredible strength it holds. The walls she had built around her heart crumbled, making room for love, compassion, and empathy to grow once again. Inspired by Emily's forgiveness, Sarah also sought out forgiveness from others she had wronged in the past. She apologized and made amends, mending broken relationships and rekindling lost friendships. Sarah understood that forgiveness was not only a gift to others, but also a gift to herself, an opportunity to release the heavy burden of guilt and resentment that had weighted her down for too long. Together, Sarah and Emily worked hand in hand to rebuild their village, not only psychically but emotionally as well. Their friendship was stronger than ever, having weathered the storm of jealousy and bitterness. They became beacons of forgiveness, teaching the villagers the power of letting go, healing wounds, and embracing second chances. And so, their story serves as a reminder that forgiveness has the ability to transform lives. It has the ability to heal broken hearts, and it has the ability to restore the bonds of friendship. This story also basically teaches us that the holdings onto the grudges only perpetuates pain, while forgiveness allows us to move forward and create brighter future, which is always filled with love and understanding. I hope so friends you would have enjoyed this video, and inshallah meet you in the next video. Thank you everyone for your consideration.